how you become into data science, I would say. So what was the, your thought process on that? So a learner can get a fair idea about that. So if they wanted to pursue a career, they can get a guideline from it.
Absolutely, absolutely. I'll go back to the example of this cricket, because
Yeah.
cricket was one of my favorite hobbies in
Okay.
childhood, and even when I get some time, I'll play with it. So, taking this example of cricket and education, let's say math or chemistry, because these are the two commonly hated subjects among most of the people, right? So, if you ask a person to play cricket and he's interested, the obvious answer is chalo khelte hain.
Right.
But on the other side, when you want to do the padai on chemistry or math, and if you
Right.
hate it, no matter how interesting the lecturer is or the subject is, your response is kal karte hai, yeah, we'll do it tomorrow
Right.
or sometime later, right? So data science is also a field which is fascinating. Just to caveat out, I'm not a data science expert per se, but I have good exposure to data science. I may not do it on a day-to-day basis, but I have good adequate exposure to understand the concepts well. Okay.
Mhm.
So the simple things what as a fresher can learn is the Excel, because now Excel is so powerful that you can do as many things as possible, which multiple other technology and tools can.
Right.
And it's most underrated tool if you ask me, because when you say data science, people think only about SAS, SQL,
Right.
R, Python,
Python.
all the new fancy stuff. But yes,
Right.
they're also needed. I'm not saying that they're not needed. But
Hmm.
the simple roadblock, like for a carbohydrate,
Hmm.
uh, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and glucose are the building blocks.
Right.
If you take these building blocks, then you can build a multi-story building, you can build a Burj Khalifa, or you can uh, build anything as you want. So building blocks are essential to understand. As I said, if you understand the components, the simple components, tools and technologies are ways and means to address the solution.
Okay.
But solution has to come from a perspective on how to solve a problem.
Right.
Right. So I would say that the answer for how long you should practice is that if you go to the nets and if you have observed or read Sachin or Dravid, they don't count hours or balls.
Right.
They just play till they get tired. So in my view, the answer is for young professionals who want to pursue a career in data science. If you have the analytical bent of mind, if you have the curiosity, if you have the willingness to learn, if you have that attitude, I think the number of hours per week or per month is only a metric to measure. But I think whatever you can grasp and implement is equally important than the number of hours you put into training or practice.